over here. Oh, yes. Now guys, we're gonna attach the clutch cable. Opa. The first thing we're gonna do is okay. Yes, I think it's gonna be here. Yes. Yep. Then okay. Then yep. Over there, in there. But first, let's see if we then oh, yes, okay. Now, then we go over here, yes. Okay. Yes. Put this one a bit in the middle so we can see. Look at it. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, guys. Now. Yes. That's all right. It's all right, Mama. It's all right for you. Then. That one goes. There. This one over here. Okay. Then this one over here. Okay. Then we have one with a mark. So be careful. That one over there. Okay. This one over here. Yes. Now. Okay. Then guys, we're gonna mount the Airbox. Get this stuff out. Okay. This one. I remember that one went in over here. Oh, yes. Okay. This one. Okay. Oh, this one. That side. Hey, scheepslamp. Then that one. Okay, let's see that one. Then guys, the injectors. Pop. Yes. That was 30. And these are those screws. Now. Be sure not cross-threading them. That's easy in plastic. So, nope. Yes. This one also could do. Tiny smear of grease onto them. Okay. Oh, oops. And this one. Pop, pop. This one. Okay, this one first. Yep, and it goes over there. Yep. No. Let's see. Stop the way. Then we have those. Yes, just slide it against this. Yes, wow, here. And then there was this. There is this wonderful. Hop. There, finished. Then, guys, we had this one, but remember this. First we have to push it over there, and this one goes over there. Wait a minute, this one over here, this one over there, this one over there, and this one over there. Guys, this, watch, it comes at 2 positions out of the loom, which is so terribly strange. As you would say, this loom has 4 of those connectors, so you would say hop, 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 but it isn't. It's in like this. Then we put we're getting there. Guys, then we're gonna mount this one that goes over there. This loom comes in here and to there. This one goes in and then this comes over there. Okay, this one goes like this. Yes, we have this one. The like this. Hop. Yep. Yes. Then over here. Yes. Okay. That's for later. This is thing. Guys, this one that goes over there with clamp, a screw clamp. But this one. Okay. You can we love. Yes. Now guys, we're gonna mount the footstep and his Quickshifter. Quickie. This one. Drop of oil in there. It's terrible dry. This is lubricated, this one. It's terrible dry. Okay, now then let's see guys. This one goes in here, this one comes over there. Okay, this is left thread and I made a picture of it, how far it was in. Let's have fun. This one out. Part this. There is this locking nut and there was Loctite. Okay, it's just for now. So okay, then oh, in a while we're gonna loosen it, put Loctite onto it and then torque it. But for now, loosen it a bit. For now, this is enough, and then Yes. Okay. Then. Okay. 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 Yep. Nice. That one.